Today was an open house here at Watson Library. We wanted to kick off the first day of classes by opening up our doors. We had a scavenger hunt, we had tours, and we had snacks.
Hopefully a lot of students were able to kind of explore different spaces in the library and learn a little bit about what we have to offer as far as resources and services.
The energy has been fantastic around here. Right from the start, we've had students coming in, sitting down and studying, and that has been so different from the summer where it's just been so quiet around here. So it's really great to see students back on campus, and to be able to be up front to greet them on the first day has been wonderful. We want students to know who we are and that we are here to support them, and that the KU Libraries is here to support them also. And so it was really meaningful to get to interact with so many different students and pass out some common books and some snacks and just be there on this very hot, sweltering first day of classes.